Have you ever wondered about the technology behind those lifelike humanoid robots that captivate our imaginations? X Robots, a pioneering company based in Doan, a coastal city in China, has garnered global acclaim with viral videos revealing their meticulous manufacturing processes. At X Robots' state-of-the-art facilities, engineers devote considerable expertise to perfecting not just the mechanics, but also the facial expressions and emotional responses of these advanced robots. Each humanoid creation, described as the pinnacle of the robotic achievement by the CEO Lee Boeing, undergoes a detailed manufacturing process lasting between 2 to 4 weeks. With prices ranging from $1.5 to $2 million, these robots exemplify cutting-edge technology designed to blur the lines between human and machine. Hey there! Have you subscribed to my channel yet? It's called AI Evolves. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Press the bell icon for notifications. Join our community of AI enthusiasts as we explore the latest advancement in technology together. Development and features. Founded in 2013, X Robots is a pioneer in advanced technology, focusing on researching, developing, producing, selling, and servicing intelligent bionic humanoid robots. At their workshop in Doan, you will find a bustling scene with silicone masks, hands, feet, and humanoid torsos in different stages of being put together. These robots showcase cutting-edge technology, yet their main role for now is to be featured exhibits at X Future Science and Technology Museum, Dex Smart Project. At the Karlsruhe Informatics Forum, researchers unveiled a groundbreaking achievement, a revolutionary robotic hand developed as part of the Dex Smart Project. This advanced creation represents a leap forward in robotics, incorporating state-of-the-art artificial tendons and actuators that give it extraordinary capabilities in both delicacy and strength. From handling fragile items like eggs with utmost care to effortlessly lifting heavy objects weighing up to 5 kilograms, this robotic hand demonstrates unparalleled precision and power. The innovation behind this technology is poised to transform collaborative efforts between humans and robots, particularly in complex surgical procedures and challenging repair tasks in hazardous environments. By enabling such precise manipulation, this robotic hand not only enhances operational efficiency, but also significantly improves safety during critical operations where accuracy is paramount. Looking ahead, how do you envision such advanced robotics shaping future medical and industrial practices? Tempest and EDI. Tempest, a well-known cyber illusionist, introduced EDI, Electronic Deceptive Intelligence, at a TED conference, showcasing its remarkable ability to interact like a human. EDI has a sophisticated 360-degree sonar detection system and highly flexible articulated arms, enabling it to explore the intricate relationship between artificial and human intelligence. Tempest envisions a future where robots such as EDI can mimic human actions and responses with astounding accuracy. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize not only the robotics, but also dynamics of the human-machine interactions. By bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and human behavior, EDI represents a significant leap forward in creating robots that are more intuitive and responsive. In practical terms, EDI advanced technology opens up new possibilities for applications where seamless interactions between robots and humans is essential. From enhancing customer service experiences to tackling complex industrial operations, these innovations promise to boost efficiency and foster deeper collaborations between humans and robots across various fields. As these technologies continue to evolve, how do you foresee the role of robots like EDI shaping our daily lives and industries in the years to come? Holly. Developed by the FCI Research Center, Holly represents a cutting-edge advancement in service robotics, tailored to tackle complex tasks across various industries. Standing at a height of 142 centimeters with adjustable shoulders and equipped with 49 active degrees of freedom, Holly possesses a level of dexterity and precision comparable to that of humans. Its capabilities are further bolstered by a 360-degree sonar detection system and artificial vision, empowering Holly to navigate autonomously, perform intricate tasks, and contribute to healthcare and service-oriented roles. In healthcare environments, Holly aims to redefine interaction between humans and robots by enhancing patient care, optimizing workflow processes, and strengthening safety protocols. Its autonomous navigation and ability to execute precise maneuvers enable it to support healthcare professionals effectively, thereby reducing their workload and improving the overall quality of patient care. As technology continues to progress, Holly represents a new benchmark for integrating robots seamlessly into everyday scenarios. It signifies a future where robotics play a pivotal role in enhancing human well-being and operational efficiency across a wide range of sectors. How do you envision robots like Holly transforming healthcare and other industries in the years to come? Japanese fruit harvesting robot. Japan's fruit industry is confronting a pressing issue: a shortage of workers coupled with an aging workforce. To tackle this challenge head-on, the Japanese National Agriculture and Food Research Organization teamed up with Ritem University and Danu Corp to pioneer a solution: a prototype fruit-picking robot. This innovative robot is designed specifically to harvest apples and pears from trees that are specially adapted for efficient picking, utilizing unmanned ground vehicles to maneuver between the trees. This robotic marvel operates at a speed comparable to human pickers. Its advanced technology not only boosts efficiency, but also aims to sustain agricultural productivity amidst the demographic challenges facing Japan's agricultural sector. By introducing such cutting-edge automation into fruit harvesting, these collaborative efforts represent a crucial step towards securing the future of Japan's fruit industry. The robot's ability to perform tasks traditionally handled by human labor underscores its potential to revolutionize agricultural practices, ensuring continued productivity in the face of evolving workforce dynamics and demographic shifts. Leo, developed by F&P Robotics AG, serves as an advanced mobile service robot, specifically designed for healthcare environments, such as hospitals and nursing homes. Standing at a height similar to a human, Leo operates independently, navigating through facilities with ease. It interacts with patients using voice and touch interfaces, enhancing communication and engagement. Leo's roles are diverse and impactful. It delivers items, assists with daily tasks, and contributes to overall facility safety. Its design allows for customizations to meet specific healthcare needs, seamlessly integrating into existing systems. By taking on routine tasks, Leo helps reduce the workload of healthcare professionals, allowing them to dedicate more time and attention to direct patient care. This integration of the robotic technology not only improves operational efficiency, but also enhances the quality of patient care. Leo's presence in healthcare settings represents a significant advancement in how robots can support medical staff, ultimately aiming to create a more patient-centered care environment. As technology continues to evolve, robots like Leo are poised to play an increasingly vital role in healthcare, facilitating better outcomes and experiences for both patients and caregivers alike. Lauren Wee, crafted by Fraunhofer Institute in Germany, stands out as a hexapod robot engineered specifically for tackling demanding and hazardous environments. Featuring 6 legs, each equipped with advanced sensors and boasting 6 degrees of freedom, Lauren Wee excels in navigating intricate landscapes and executing precise maneuvers essential for scientific exploration and rescue operations. This robotic marvel's abilities extend beyond mere mobility. Lauren Wee is adept at collecting detailed terrain data, detecting objects, and identifying potential hazards. These capabilities are crucial for scenarios where stability and flexibility are paramount, such as in disaster zones or remote research expeditions. By harnessing cutting-edge technology, Lauren Wee represents a significant advancement in robotics, enabling it to perform tasks that would be challenging or dangerous for humans alone. Its versatility and robust design make it an invaluable asset in enhancing safety and efficiency across various high-stakes environments. As robotics technology continues to evolve, Innovations like LearnWe paved the way for safer and more effective approaches to complex missions, underscoring the transformative potential of robotics in addressing real-world challenges. As we look ahead, can you imagine a world where robots are integral to everyday tasks, from healthcare to agriculture? The field of robotics is advancing rapidly, driven by innovations in humanoid robots and cutting-edge manipulation technologies. These advancements are not just boosting efficiency in industries, but also reshaping how humans and robots interact. What does this mean for the future? It means that the robotics will continue to integrate more deeply into our lives, transforming how we work and improving safety and productivity along the way. In conclusion, these ongoing developments in robotics are paving the path towards a future where robots play crucial roles in enhancing human capabilities and solving complex challenges across various fields. How do you think robots will continue to impact our world in the years to come?